heard you're looking for a new baked chicken recipe. Well, today, let me put you on. I'm going to show you guys how to make this new lemon pepper honey garlic baked chicken. It is oh so delicious. You hear me? It only takes about 40 minutes. So before I begin, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, I'm going to pat dry my chicken. Once you're done patting dry your chicken, drizzle it with a little bit of oil, not too much, okay? Because this chicken is a little fatty. And of course, try to remove as much fat as you can. So I'm going to rub it in, and I'm going in with the seasoning. Now I'm using a little bit, not a little bit, a tablespoon of onion and garlic powder, a tablespoon of lemon pepper, and some creole seasoning. Just pat it just like this, flip it over, and just season the other side. Just like that, okay? And then I usually just pat it on there. Normally, I'll use a fork to kind of poke the chicken. That way the seasoning can really get in there. But today, we don't really have time for that. We all hungry here. This is our dinner, okay? Once you're done, your chicken should look something like this, nice and well seasoned. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit more oil so we can pan sear our chicken. We're going to place the chicken skin side down, just like this, okay? We're just looking for a beautiful color, nothing major. We're not cooking it, just for the color. Perfect. Just like this. Now, while this is pan searing, we're gonna make our honey garlic sauce. To make the honey garlic, I'm using about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, low sodium, okay? 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. And also I'm using 1/4 cup of honey, okay? And also we're gonna be using some chicken broth, about 1/2 cup. Perfect. Now we're going to give that a mix and add our garlic to it. And that's pretty much our honey garlic sauce. Perfect. Now we're going to flip our chicken over. This is the color we're looking for, absolutely golden. I'm going to flip them over. Yes, yes, yes. It smells amazing. Perfect. I'm gonna let it go for another 2 minutes. Just like this. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken to my baking dish. You can bake it in here if you like. However, all the grease, I don't really like all the fat, the grease in there. So you can discard the fat, the oil, and then bake it if you like. But I'm going to just transfer it to my baking dish. I'm going to pour that delicious honey garlic sauce on the side, okay? Not right on top of the chicken. Just on the side. Now I'm going to bake this on 350 uncovered for about 40 minutes. And if you like, you can add some lemon slices, you know, but I don't have any, so let's just bake it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is one of the most beautiful chicken that I've ever seen. Come take a look, y'all. Boy, oh boy, are you ready for this taste test? Let's give it a try, y'all. Let me tell you, this ain't no surprise to me because I make this on a regular, okay? The best dish to pair with this is some white rice, some broccoli. So bomb. You gotta try it. The skin is nice and crispy. The chicken is so juicy. Let me tell you, flavor is top notch. You got to try this. That's all I can say. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did filming it for you. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. What would you pair this with? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye, guys.